In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to build an email, prepare it for automation, plug it into a workflow, and confidently turn everything on. Let's start by creating the automated email. In HubSpot, go to Marketing, then Email, and click Create Email. Pick a template that matches your goal and design the content with clear headlines, concise copy, and a strong call to action. As you set it up, head to the Recipients tab and make sure the Save for Automation option is selected. This is crucial. Without it, the email won't be available in workflows. When you're happy with the content and settings, click Review and Publish so the email is approved and ready to use. Publishing here simply makes the email eligible for automation. It doesn't send anything yet. Next, set up the workflow. Navigate to Automations, then Workflows, and click Create Workflow. Choose Contact-Based, since we're enrolling contacts who meet specific criteria. You can start from scratch for full control or use a template if you want a guided setup. Now select your enrollment trigger. A common choice is Form Submission, then specify which form should enroll people. Clear criteria help ensure only the right contacts enter your automation. Now add your email action and any follow-up steps. On the workflow canvas, click the plus icon to add an action. Under Communications, select Send Email. From the drop-down, choose the automated email you just published. To space out communications and avoid overwhelming your contacts, add a delay, like wait 2 days, before the next action. You can continue building your sequence with additional delays and actions, such as creating tasks for your team to keep outreach coordinated and timely. When your workflow looks good, it's time to review and activate. In the top right, click Review and Publish. HubSpot will highlight anything that needs attention, such as missing emails or incomplete criteria. Resolve any issues, then click Publish. Finally, switch the workflow to On. Once it's on, eligible contacts will automatically enroll and receive your emails based on the steps you set up. That's it. You created an automated email, ensured it's safe for automation, built a contact-based workflow with a clear trigger, added your email and delays, and published everything. Keep an eye on performance after it's live, so you can refine the content and timing over time. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.